Hello, this presentation is regarding achieving operating cost savings using MPTS technology by Trans Power Company serving commercial and industrial clients for over 30 years. It is about building maintenance efficiency and reducing operating costs. Adil is the president and CEO of Trans Power Company, who is senior member of AEEs and IEEE, an electrical engineer with an MBA and multiple technology certifications. Trans Power Company focuses its efforts in inventing and commercializing high-efficiency patented technologies for commercial and industrial clients. Let us look at the pain points commonly encountered in building maintenance. It's crucial for us to understand these challenges to implement effective solutions and ensure the smooth operation of our facilities. Tripping breakers, automatic resets, data errors, circuit board failures, UPS alarms, software corruption, interruption of power, overheating of electrical distribution systems, motor failures, total power loss, electrical surges, spikes, hot spots, arc flashes, the failures of lamps, ballasts, LED drivers, VFDs, inverters, rectifiers, the transformer failures. Understanding and addressing these pain points in building maintenance are crucial for the efficient operation of our facilities. By implementing proactive maintenance strategies, conducting regular inspections, and leveraging advanced technologies, we can minimize downtime, enhance safety, and optimize the performance of our building systems. What are the causes of these pain points in building maintenance? Why do you have these problems? These problems are caused by increased use of electronics, automation, AC-DC and DC-AC devices, voltage sags and swells, voltage fluctuations, voltage unbalance, transient voltage surges, frequency variations, harmonics, electromagnetic interference, low power factors. These issues are affecting the reliability and performance of electrical systems and connected equipment in buildings. What is the solution for these maintenance issues and problems? The answer is definitely not the existing solutions. Fundamentally, conventional static solutions are engineered for specific ratings, lacking the adaptability to respond to changing load conditions that deviate from their designated range of operation. Moreover, existing solutions impose an additional burden on the electrical network, acting as parasitical loads and introducing potential points of failure. The Trans Power Company, MPTS, is a comprehensive power management solution and mitigates the service, repair, and maintenance costs and downtime. Unlike standard solutions, MPTS is not an additional parasitic load on the electrical network and eliminates the need for parasitic static existing power quality improvement solutions. The Trans Power Company, MPTS Technology, is an all-in-one comprehensive solution to deal with electrical problems. MPTS units installed for over a decade have consistently demonstrated a maintenance-free and failure-resistant track record. The expected lifespan of MPTS units is greater than 30 years. Let us summarize and show how MPTS is different from all other existing solutions to deal with electrical problems. MPTS is a dynamic technology that adapts to changing load conditions, maintains high efficiency while reducing operating costs and CO2 emissions. MPTS is an all-in-one power management solution as categorized by UL and the U.S. Patent Office. Unlike traditional solutions, MPTS doesn't burden the electrical network. In other words, does not add additional load to the electrical network. MPTS is a proven maintenance-free performance over a decade, provides least cost energy. MPTS is a passive solution. It actively converts reactive and dirty energy into active energy around the clock, making it a renewable energy source within your building. MPTS devices are standard, not custom designed, and can be installed anywhere in the world, whether on main or sub-panels. Its flexibility knows no bounds. MPTS technology is the future of sustainable and efficient power management, offering a range of capabilities that set it apart from conventional solutions. MPTS is deployed in commercial industrial buildings, saving millions of dollars in operating costs. The MPTS units are providing significant savings and short payback period of less than 2 years to customers that are using MPTS technology. This slide shows the connection diagram with one MPTS unit. Multiple MPTS units can be deployed in a building electrical network, in addition to mitigating the power problems. This example shows demand savings of 200 kilowatts when MPTS is connected or used in the network. The live, recorded data indicates a decline in power issues when MPTS was turned on, with the green color symbolizing a significant reduction in dirty power to a minimum. The increase in the white area signifies that the decrease in dirty power has reduced the load on the utility transformer. The uniqueness of MPTS lies in its benefits for end users. It enhances the efficiency, safety, and reliability of the electrical network by minimizing service, repair, and maintenance costs. It significantly reduces overall operating expenses. MPTS also prolongs the lifespan of connected equipment, deferring the need for aging or replacement. Additionally, it safeguards equipment from failures, minimizing downtime and eliminating the necessity to replace perfectly functional machinery. Furthermore, MPTS releases electrical capacity, enabling the connection of more load on the same electrical panels and transformer. This, in turn, decreases the total electrical power demand and consumption, resulting in notable energy savings. MPTS stands out by actively converting reactive and contaminated energy into useful active energy, enhancing overall energy efficiency. Operating seamlessly around the clock, MPTS plays a vital role in contributing to renewable energy integration within your building, ensuring a consistent and sustainable power supply. With its universal applicability, MPTS can be easily installed on main or sub-panels, offering flexibility to adapt to various electrical configurations and setups. MPTS devices come in standardized sizes for easy connections, eliminating the need for custom designs. This simplicity ensures straightforward integration across diverse systems and infrastructures. MPTS represents the next phase in sustainable and efficient power management. MPTS represents the future of efficient power management. It is the next phase in sustainable and efficient power management, serving as a forward-looking solution aligned with global efforts for greener and responsible energy practices. With MPTS technology, you can achieve significant operating cost savings. It's not just about saving money, but about investing in a system that allows you to focus on what really matters: the smooth running of your facility. If you are interested in learning more about this game-changing technology, please contact your local distributor or a representative from Trans Power Company. You may email your questions or set an appointment with the technical manager by emailing info@transpowerco.com. Thank you for your interest in MPTS technology and for listening to this session. Have a nice day.